Hey friends, if Windows keeps on changing your default browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's the thing, the reason behind it is that the default browser is not basically the default browser by default, it is default for a certain type of file extension. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select default apps, and then pick up a browser, let's say this one, and then let us say that you want to make it default for everything. So simply start making it the default browser for all of these file extensions. Okay, but you'll have to do it manually for all of them, and there aren't as many file extensions, I guess just 5 or 6. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.